ever wondered why 85% of people worldwide suffer from skin problems at some point in their life? It's an unsettling truth, isn't it? Skin problems are far more common than we'd like to think, affecting a vast majority of us in one way or another. Let's put that number into perspective. 85%. That's more than 4 out of every 5 people around you. It's a number that transcends geographical borders, cultural differences, and age groups. From the bustling streets of New York to the quiet corners of rural Asia, skin problems are a global phenomenon. These issues manifest in a number of ways. For some, it's the relentless onslaught of acne that leaves behind a trail of scars and insecurities. For others, it could be eczema, a condition that turns the simple act of touching into a painful experience. And let's not forget about the silent but destructive impact of hyperpigmentation and premature aging. Each condition carries its own set of trials and tribulations, often leaving a lasting impact on an individual's self-esteem and mental health. But why is this the case? Why are skin problems such a prevalent issue? To understand that, we need to delve into the complex world of dermatology, the science of skin. It's a fascinating field that combines elements of biology, chemistry, and even psychology. And as we'll see, the solutions to our skin problems often lie in understanding this intricate science. Yet it's not all doom and gloom. Yes, the numbers are alarming, and yes, the impact of these issues can be severe, but there's also a silver lining to this cloud. There's hope. There's a way for us to combat these problems, to regain control over our skin's health. The answer isn't some secret potion or an elusive elixir. It's not hidden in the depths of the Amazon rainforest or in the highest peaks of the Himalayas. No, the solution is much simpler than that, much closer to home. But don't worry, there's a solution to this, and it's simpler than you think. What if I told you that you could avoid most skin problems with just a few simple steps? Well, it's true. And the first step is understanding your skin. You see, your skin is as unique as you are, and it requires a particular kind of care that is tailored to its specific needs. Think of your skin as a puzzle, and each piece is a unique aspect of your skin's composition. One crucial piece of this puzzle is your skin type. There are 4 main skin types: oily, dry, combination, and sensitive. Each of these types has its own characteristics and needs specific care to stay balanced and healthy. Let's start with oily skin. It's characterized by an overproduction of sebum, a natural oil in your skin. This can lead to clogged pores and acne. If you have oily skin, it's important to use products that can help regulate oil production without stripping your skin of its natural moisture. Next, we have dry skin. This type is often flaky, itchy, and can feel tight. If you have dry skin, it's essential to use products that provide intense hydration and lock in moisture to prevent dryness and irritation. Then there's combination skin, which is a mix of oily and dry areas. This type requires a balanced skincare regimen that can address both issues simultaneously. Lastly, sensitive skin. This type can easily react to certain ingredients or environmental factors, leading to redness, itching, or even breakouts. If you have sensitive skin, it's crucial to use gentle, hypoallergenic products that won't irritate your skin. The key point here is that there is no one-size-fits-all approach when it comes to skincare. Your skin is unique and requires a personalized approach to care. Understanding your skin type and its specific needs is the cornerstone of a successful skincare routine. So remember, the first step to avoiding skin problems is understanding your skin. It's about knowing your skin type, recognizing its needs, and providing it with the right care. Now that you understand your skin better, it's time to dive into the proper skincare regimen. A good skincare regimen doesn't have to be complicated, it just has to be consistent. It's like learning a new dance routine or mastering a musical instrument. The more consistent you are, the better the results. So let's break down the basic steps of a skincare routine. First off, we have cleansing. This is your opportunity to wash off the day, to remove the dirt, oil, and environmental pollutants that have accumulated on your skin. Cleansing is not about stripping your skin bare, but rather about gently removing what doesn't belong there. Next up is toning. Once seen as an unnecessary step, toners have come a long way. They now serve as a way to balance the skin's pH, hydrate, and prep your skin for the next steps of your routine. Think of it as setting the stage for the rest of your skincare act. Then we move on to moisturizing. This step is crucial regardless of your skin type. Even those with oily skin need to moisturize. Why, you might ask? Because moisturizers lock in hydration, keep your skin supple, and act as a protective barrier against environmental stressors. Last, but certainly not least, is applying sunscreen. This is your best defense against premature aging and skin damage. Sunscreen should be worn every day, rain or shine, to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Now, you might be thinking, that's it? Only 4 steps? Yes, indeed. Skincare does not have to be a marathon of products. It's about finding what works for your skin and sticking with it. There are no magic potions or overnight solutions. Good skin is a result of consistent care and attention. It's also important to note that everyone's skin is different, so what works for one person might not work for another. It's a journey of trial and error, and that's perfectly okay. So there you have it, the basic steps of a skincare routine. Simple, yet effective. A daily commitment to your skin can lead to noticeable improvements over time. Remember, it's not about having a 10-step routine, it's about having a routine that works for your skin. Your lifestyle choices can make or break your skin health. This might seem like a bold statement, but when it comes to the health of your skin, the impact of your daily habits cannot be overstated. Let's begin with diet. The food you eat can directly affect your skin's appearance. Consuming a balanced diet filled with fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats can help your skin glow from within. On the other hand, a diet high in processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats can lead to an increase in oil production, causing breakouts and a dull complexion. Moving on to stress. It's no secret that stress can wreak havoc on your skin. High stress levels can trigger the production of hormones like cortisol, which can lead to inflammation and excess sebum production, resulting in acne. Incorporating stress management techniques such as meditation, yoga, or even a simple walk in the park can significantly reduce stress levels and improve your skin health. Next up, sleep. Ever heard of beauty sleep? It's not just a saying, it's a scientific fact. During sleep, your body goes into repair mode, releasing growth hormones that help regenerate skin cells. When you skimp on sleep, it disrupts this process, leading to dull skin, dark circles, and fine lines. So make sure you're getting at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. Lastly, let's talk about exercise. Regular physical activity increases blood circulation, which helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells, keeping them healthy. Exercise also helps to reduce stress levels and improve sleep quality, both of which are beneficial for your skin. In conclusion, your lifestyle plays a profound role in your skin health. A balanced diet, stress management, ample sleep, and regular exercise are not just essential for your overall health, but also for maintaining a radiant and healthy skin. Making these simple lifestyle changes can go a long way in preventing skin problems. So, take control of your lifestyle choices today and see the difference it makes to your skin. Let's recap what we've learned today. We started by shedding light on the unsettling truth about skin problems. We discovered that they are more common than we'd like to admit, and that they can affect anyone, regardless of age, gender, or lifestyle. But we also learned that understanding our skin is the first step towards preventing these problems. Knowing your skin is like having a roadmap to your health. It helps you understand what your skin needs and how it reacts to different elements. We discussed the importance of identifying our skin type, whether it's dry, oily, combination, or sensitive. We also touched on how our skin can change with age and environment, and how it's crucial to adapt our skincare routine accordingly. Speaking of skincare routines, we dove into the significance of maintaining a consistent regimen. It's not just about using products, it's about using the right ones, in the right order, at the right time. We talked about the basic steps: cleansing, toning, and moisturizing, and how these 3 pillars of skincare are essential to keep our skin healthy and radiant. We also emphasized the importance of sunscreen, a non-negotiable step for protecting our skin from harmful UV rays. But skincare doesn't stop at products. We highlighted the role of lifestyle factors in our skin's health. We learned that a balanced diet, regular exercise, adequate hydration, and good sleep can do wonders for our skin. We also discussed how stress, smoking, and excessive alcohol consumption can wreak havoc on our skin, emphasizing the importance of a holistic approach to skincare. In essence, we've learned that our skin is a reflection of our overall health and well-being. It requires care, attention, and a bit of pampering. So, remember to listen to your skin, nourish it with the right products, and support it with a healthy lifestyle. Skin problems might be common, but with these simple steps, they don't have to be your problem.